Hi, I'm Zach. I lead the customer success team here at projectmanager.com, and I'd love to personally thank you for signing up. I'll show you how quick and easy it is to get your first projects on projectmanager.com. To get started, simply click the New button, enter your project name, and you're ready to go. From there, list all the work that needs to get done, and you can click and drag to change the duration as well. Now, assigning people to tasks is easy as clicking the person icon. And you can invite new people to work on tasks right in the same view too. When you click Save, your colleagues will instantly get alerts on what work needs to be done. All the work that you've assigned to your colleagues will appear on the My Work page. This is where your colleagues will go to update the status of their tasks. Then on the dashboard, you can see at a glance whether your project is on track. So start now by creating your first project, and if you need any help, you can email us at support@projectmanager.com. We're here to help you succeed. Thanks, and have a nice day.